A reservoir of glycerin has a mass of 1,200 kg and a volume of 0.952 cubic meters. Find its weight, unit weight, mass density, and specific gravity. So weight is equal to mass times the constant of acceleration g. So mass, which is 1,200 kg times 9.81 meters per second squared. So this is equal to 1,200 times 9.81, that is 11,772 Newton, or equals to 11.8 kilonewton. That's A. So B, the unit weight. So unit weight is equal to the weight of glycerin all over its volume. So weight of glycerin is 11.8 kilonewton and its volume is 0.952 cubic meters. So this is equal to 11.8 all over 0.952 is equal to 12.39 kilonewton per meter cubic meter. C, the mass all over the volume. The mass is 1,200 kg over volume 0.952 cubic meter. 1,200 0.952 is 1,260.50 kilogram per meter cube plus the specific gravity, which is equal to either the rho of glycerin all over the rho of water, or the unit weight of glycerin all over the unit weight of water. So either of the two equation. So let us use the unit weight. So unit weight of glycerin is 12.39 kilonewton over kilonewton meter cube all over the unit weight of water 9.81 kilonewton meter cube. This is equal to 12.39